Welcome all. In this video, I'm going to explain about Granules India. It's been exciting for us because the fundamental data when we observe seems to be very interesting. We feel that Granules India is poised for second innings of growth in the stock price. Now let us see why these things are possible. Now first of all, let us take the sales of the last 10 years of Granules India. You could see there is a consistent growth in the sales of granules from almost somewhere around 256 crores. Now it's around 2,279 crores, almost 10 times. It's an excellent performance. With this, even the operating profit has been maintaining the pace. That's really interesting, right? Now, even the operating profit margin has been consistently maintained around 16 to 20% in the last few years. Now if you see, net profit is also trying to catch up with the sales and the operating profit, which is very good for the company itself, except for a couple of years. If we see, the growth has been very good in the net profit also, and it's at all-time high in terms of the net profit it has earned per annum. EPS. If we see again, if we leave couple of years performance, it's been consistently growing. Earnings per share is very important for all of us because we as investors would like to get more profit from the company. That is possible only if the company is making very good earnings per share, right? So now even if you see, the earnings per share has been all-time high at 9.3 if you see the historical performance of Granules India. All this is possible by the company with a very nominal share capital of around 25 crores, very low, but if you see the sales or even the profits, it's been really remarkable. The profit from operations also, if we see the consistent improvement in the operations, that shows the efficiency of Granules India has been decent enough. As the sales are growing, the economies of scale and other parameters are helping. Their efficiency is really good. That is what the data speaks about. And what more, if we compare with the peers or the competitors in the particular industry, the price earning ratio itself is reasonable enough to say that it's valued well and attractive for the investors to get into the stock. Now we are talking about Granules India, which is having a market cap of around 4,124. This puts them into small cap, and it's almost at all-time high now, and it has a book value of 6150. And if you see, the lowest in the last 1 year has been almost near to the book value. So that means buying Granules India near to the book value is really it's a very good opportunity for investors to get in. It can be a steal for all of us, and it has a dividend yield of 0.62% and a ROE of 12%, which is respectable, but if ROE increases, it can be more attractive for the investors. And at 6.5% per annum in the last 3 years, the stock is having a face value of 1. The compounded profit growth in the last 3 to 5 years, if you see, it's around 24 to 25%. That's really interesting. And once we see the price action or the stock performance in the market, it has been in a complete consolidation between 165 to 80 rupees in the last almost 4 years. And now it's almost poised to cross all-time high with decent volumes, which makes it little attractive for the traders and as well as the investors. So every dip, whenever it dips, it can be an opportunity to trade, and the important levels for trading or investing is 150 for the first support, and next is 135. Lower than that we have around 120 to 125. Then comes 110, and very important level is 100 to 95, and the major support has been around 85 to 80. Do not forget, the book value is around 61, which is very near to the 1 year low of this particular security. If you wish to trade in Granules India and wish to know about the daily volatility of the security and yearly volatility of Granules India security, do send us your WhatsApp number or email ID to our WhatsApp number 9652904904 and email ID lorddattas@gmail.com. We can help you and we can provide you with our calculations on the volatility of Granules India, which can be useful for your day-to-day trading or a positional trading to understand the momentum of the security. We thank you for listening to us, and we have a disclaimer. We are holding this particular security in our account and we have presented these facts to you. Please do your own analysis and take informed decision before you invest. This is Vinod Kumar signing off. Happy trading. Thank you, and thank you for spending time on listening to our report and our analysis. Thank you very much. Happy trading.